Hello everyone, Luke here, welcome back to the channel. So as some of you guys might know, I've recently passed my test and I've finally managed to pick up my first car. So this thing was really inexpensive. I mean, it didn't cost much at all, and usually at that price point you get your fair share of problems. But the thing is, this car is absolutely mechanically sound, but the exterior, well, that's a different story. I've got a huge dent in the back here and there's a little dent up at the front, but luckily this is plastic. So what we're going to be doing is actually removing the dent out of your bumper. And how I'm actually going to be doing this is taking the bumper off, using some hot water, such as using a kettle, get the plastic really soft and then push it back out from the inside. And hopefully that will push this dent out and make it look good again. So let's take it off. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is take off the light clusters. And this is actually going to be really easy. We basically pop the boot and it exposes the screws to the light clusters. And once we've got them light clusters out, we're actually going to be able to access the screws to the bumper itself. So there's going to be a few here, a few underneath the wheel arches, and hopefully once all of them are done, the whole bumper should just come off. So I'm going to speed ahead and do that now. There we go, that is the back bumper off. So now what we're going to do is go boil the kettle. And once the kettle's boiled, making sure that it's piping hot, we're just going to pour a whole bunch of hot water all over the front and back of this just to soften up the plastic. And then hopefully we're going to be able to push it out from the back. And if we can't push it out from the back, well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab a hammer and whack it out from the back. So let's get that kettle boiled. Okay, so I've got my heat-resistant gloves on because I don't want to burn my hands, and I've got a kettle full of hot water. So what I'm going to do is just start pouring it on either side and then try and push it out from the back side. So let's do it. Oh, wowzers! That's done the trick. Would you take a look at that? That has done it perfectly. Oh my goodness, wow. And there we go, the back bumper has been put back on, and I'll let you guys have a guess to which side was the dented side, because that result is absolutely fantastic. I mean, I can't even tell that there was a dent there in the first place. This whole line going across is still relatively even and it doesn't look like there was any dents there at all. So, the result of that, brilliant. And with that being said, that does bring me to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you later. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.